Ang. Those who knows to write, you can write. If you don't know, you can look at the screen and write. Ka, kha, ga, ga, ang. And the next line is cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Cha say chammach. Cha say chhatri. Ja say jahaj. Ja say jarna. And nya. Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. What must we break, finish? Yeah. Next line. Ta, tha, da, da, na. Ta, tha, da, da, na. Ta, tha, da, da, na. The next line is ta, ta, da, da, na. Ta, ta, da, da, na.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma?
I joined late, so I joined late, so I don't know
What you don't know? What you don't know?
I joined late.
You have to take the Hindi notebook and write, ma. That's it.
Oh,
Take your
right,
Hindi notebook and
right
write.
still this word you are showing.
Right from ka, kha, ga, ga, ang. Ta, cha, ja, ja, nya. Ta, tha, da, da, na. Ta, tha, da, da, na. Now it's clear?
Okay, ma'am, it's clear.
Yeah, good. Finish, Satvik. Masvin, finish. Finish. What, ma, Dayanan? Dayanan. Come here, Dayanan. Sit here. என்னம்மா what do you want? ஹிந்தி நோட்புக் எடுத்து எழுதுங்க இல்லனா ரஃப் நோட்புக் எடுத்து எழுதுங்க ஓகேவா ஓகே தானே now is it clear
The notebook only, ma'am.
okay ma don't get tensed for that search your notebook slowly and write no issues okay Dayanan smile Dayanan smile இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் okay thank you come on write
Ma'am.
Ah, finish. Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Pratik. Well done. Children, you should write the date in the margin, children. You have a margin there, no? There only you should write the date. Grithvik. Well done, Grithvik.
Thank you, ma'am. I finish it quickly. I know.
Quickly, ah, very good boy.
Thank you, ma'am.
Roshan. Roshan.
Yes,
Finished, Roshan? Finished? Right fast. Grithvik, sing the rhyme, ma. Chidiya rhyme.
Chee chee chur chur.
Hmm.
Chee chee chur chur. Chidiya fur 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 fur.
Chidiya.
Yeah. उधर उधर कांता कांती रोज
Rose savere.
मुझे जगाती.
Mujhe jagati. Very good. Now, Satvik, come
Ma'am,
on, sing the rhyme.
ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Very good, ma'am. Satvik, sing the rhyme, ma.
चीची चुचुर काती चिड़िया फुर 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 उड़ती चिड़िया
Where is the action?
उड़ती चिड़िया
Ah.
फुटक 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 गाना गाती रोज सवेरे मुझे जगाती.
Very good. Well done. Okay, who else? Sai Charan. Sai Charan.
चीची चुचुर करती चिड़िया फुर 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 उड़ती चिड़िया फुदक फुदक गाना गाती रोज सवेरे मुझे जगाती.
Very good. Well done. Okay, next. Who will sing next? Arjun. 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 Chin chin chur chur karti chidiya.
चीची
Udti chidiya. Kudak kudak kar gana gati. Mujhe jagati. Well done. Very good. Good. Next, who else? Roshan. Roshan.
Yes.
Sing the rhyme, ma. Karti chidiya.
चिड़िया फुर 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 फुर
Udti chidiya. Udak
Udak.
udak kar
गाना गाती
gati.
रोज सवेरे
Mujhe jagati. Well done. Niven. Niven, sing the rhyme, Niven. Okay, repeat after ma. Chin chin chur chur karti chidiya.
चिड़िया
हाँ.
गाना
उदक उदक कर गाना गाती. रोज सवेरे मुझे जगाती. What happened? Come on, one more time.
Syria.
Hmm.
Syria.
Hmm.
Syria.
Gana gati. Rose. Hmm. Mujhe jagati. Very good. Masven.
Yes, ma'am.
Sing the rhyme, ma.
Chichi chuchu katti chidiya.
Hmm.
Udati chidiya.
Hmm.
Pudap gana gati.
Hmm.
Roj savere mujhe gatati.
Mujhe jagati. Very good. Okay, children, everyone has finished writing. Keep your notebooks aside. Last class, we learned about 2 types of animals. What were they? Anyone? What were the animals we learned? 2 types of animals.
Gacha.
One is Paltu Pashu. What is Paltu Pashu?
That is not bite animal. Domestic animal. Domestic animal.
Yeah,
Domestic.
very domestic animal. Okay, and then next one, what animal we learned? Jungli Pashu. Very good one. Jungli Pashu, which is the wild animal.
Wild animal.
Okay, now I'm going to
Wild animal.
show you some pictures of those animals. You have to tell me the names of those animals. Okay, what is this? First, Paltu Pashu will finish. Suvar. What is it? Suvar.
Pig.
No, do not say it as pig. Suvar, pig. Nivin, mute yourself now. What is it?
Goda.
Goda. No. Gada. Donkey.
Gada. Donkey.
Gada. Donkey. What is it? Bakri. Goat. Bakri. Goat. What is it, children? Bakri. Goat.
Bakri. Goat.
This one.
Guy. Cow.
Very good, children. Cow.
Guy. Cow. Goda.
Goda. Horse.
Goda.
Goda. Horse. Very good.
Goda. Kutta.
What?
Kutta.
Kutta. Dog.
Dog. Cargos.
Billy. Cat. Now take your books, all of you. Take this page. And one by one, I'll tell you the names of the animals. You have to show it to me. Everyone should point out the picture and show it to me correctly. Okay? Take page number 60. Paltu Pashu. Correct? Very good, Marjan. Ready? Now we are going to point out at Khargosh. Where is Khargosh?
Here, ma'am.
Keep your
Here, ma'am.
keep it in your hand like this. No one should unmute yourself. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Okay, just show it to me. That's it. I can see everyone. Khargosh. Where is Khargosh? Diana, take your book and show it to me. Ryan, lift your book. Kumaran, lift your book and show it to ma'am. Fold it like this. Fold your book like this. Everyone should fold your book like this. Now show me, where is Kargosh? Kargosh. Good. Very good. And next is Gada. Gada. Where is Gada? Sai Charan, first look at Gada and show me. Look at your book. Instead of Gada, you are showing something else. Gada. Donkey. Very good. Noma, Kumaran. Gada, the wrong one you are showing. That is Bail, I think. Gada is here. Donkey. Gada, donkey. Next is Kutta. Kutta. Very good, Ryan. Kutta. Good. Kutta, dog here. Next is Suvar. 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 Very good, Grithvik. Arjun. Roshan, Suvar, Roshan. Masven, where is Suvar? Yeah, good. Satvik, good. Kumaran, Suvar, pig. Suvar is pig. Guy. Guy. Where is Guy? Yeah, good. Everyone knows Guy, huh? Ryan. Why grandma is helping you? Come on. Get your book. Hold your book in your hand. Do it by yourself. I know you know everything. Guy. No. Guy. Look at the action. Ryan. Guy. If you don't know, you have to ask me. Then only I'll know how far you are clear about the concept. When you're getting help from your parents and your grandparents and all, how will I know? Guy, cow. Goda. Where is Goda? Kumaran also. Goda, very good. Yeah, good, Sai Charan. Masven. Goda. Very good, Ryan. Where is Goda, Masven? Good. Goda, horse. Oont. Where is oont? Good. Sai Charan, good ma. Oont. Now keep your books down. Do the action for the animals. Guy. Guy. Very good. Guy. Okay. Goda. 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 What, Grithvik? Goda. Okay. Billy. 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 Okay. Kutta. Kutta. Bow. Bow. Kutta. Bow. Bow. Okay. Oont. 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 Very good, Grithvik. Oont. Well done. Well done. Okay. Next one is the jungly pashu. Take your page here, this page. Keep it with you. First, I'll show you the cutouts, okay? Let me see, you can identify.
Bandar. Bandar.
Bandar, monkey. Very good.
Bandar.
Bandar, monkey.
Sheer.
Sher, lion. Very good. Sher, lion. Sher, lion.
Sheer lion. Tiger.
I know it is tiger. Very good, Arjun. Very good boy. Bag tiger. Bag tiger.
Alu.
Why are you not answering all? Balu bear. Very good boy, Arjun. Everything Arjun is answering. Good boy. Nobody fox. Very good.
Zebra. Zebra.
Zebra. How many of you are shouting? Since that both the letters are easy, you told the answer. Now let me see how many of you know this. Very good. Ready? Mute yourself. Okay. Now, first is Bandar. Where is Bandar? Good. Bandar. Bandar. Good. Next is Hathi. Hathi. Good. Maswin, why don't you show me the book like this, Maswin? Good. Next is Bag. Bag. No?
Tiger, ma'am.
Bag is tiger. Ritvik, it's wrong. Bag. Tiger. Okay. Balu. Balu. Very good, Roshan. Balu. Noma. Maswin. Balu bear. Balu bear. Zebra. Zebra. Good. Giraffe. Giraffe. Hiran. Hiran. No. Hiran. Roshan, it's wrong. Hiran. Correct. Hiran. Sher. 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 Good.
Lion, ma'am.
Yeah, good ma. Sher, lion. Good. Lomdi. Lomdi.
Lomri fox.
Very good. Now come on to the book down. Do the actions. Share. Share. Wow. Share. Okay. Lomdi. Lomdi. Giraffe. Giraffe. Good. And then Bag. Bag. Hathi.
Tiger.
Hathi.
The elephant.
And then Bandar. Bandar.
Monkey.
Good. Very good. Very good. Nivin, mute yourself, Nivin. Very good. Okay, now I want you to take your writing book, candy book. Okay? This the we are going to write. Page number 59. This the say dhaga. Dhaga is a thread. The say dhaga, thread. Same like ga say gar only. Like ga only you will write, but inside you will have a small curve like this. Children, first start with a small curve like this, and then like this, go up, come down. Okay, start with a small curve. Like ulta 3 you have to write. The same way like ga, but you will have a small curve here. That is the only difference for ga and the. That is the only difference. You will have a small curve here. Starting itself, you have to start like this only. Small curve, like ulta 3 you have to write. And then standing line and sleeping line. Start writing, Ryan. Any doubts? The say daga. The say dhanush. The say dhan. The spell and write, children. The say dhaga. The. Stress and pronounce. The say dhanush. The say dhaga. The say dhan.
Ma'am, ECG, ma'am.
Huh?
ECG.
Huh?
ECG, ma'am, letter.
Sorry, I'm not able to understand what you are saying, ma. It's
That-
easy, huh?
What?
Are you saying it is easy?
Yeah.
Okay, right.
Ma'am, I finished writing.
Very good. Try to follow the line, ma, Sai Charan. See how they have written in that line. The same way you try to write, okay? Good. Kumaran, if you sit like that and write, how will you write? Keep the book down and write. Keep your notebook down and write. Or else keep it on a table and write. Nevin. Nevin. Why are you playing, Nevin?
No, ma'am.
I can see you.
I am right, ma'am.
I don't think so. You are writing. Sit properly. Move back and sit. Dayanand, are you writing, Dayanand? Sai Charan, you can write this page also if you are free.
Yes, ma'am.
Those who have finished writing can continue writing this page if you are free.
Yes, ma'am. Now I am writing the another page.
Very good, ma. Right. How many of you have finished one page? This page alone, how many of you have finished? Sai Charan, Gritvik. Then finish, children. Arjun, finish. One page you finish, ma? Good. Dayanand, Roshan, Satvik.
No, ma'am. Still is writing first page.
Which page he is writing? First page itself, ah?
Yes, ma'am.
Why, ma, Satvik?
Because I too slow, ma'am.
Don't write slow, ma. Try to write fast. Come on. Roshan, finish. One page. One page you have finished.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, one line, ma'am.
Okay, right. Maswin.
No.
Why, ma? Write fast. Easy only, no?
He's writing slowly, ma'am.
No. Write fast. Write fast and go and have your food.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. Thank you so much for your cooperation, children. Finish it and send it, okay? Bye, children. Shukriya.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, Shukriya, ma'am. Bye, Shukriya, ma'am. Shukriya, ma'am.
Shukriya, Satvik.
Shukriya.